Hello guys, and welcome back to episode 3 of the Christmas feast, and in this episode I will be showing you a beautiful roast chicken with sage and onion stuffing. To kick off this magnificent recipe, you will need half of an extra large onion. You will also need some beautiful fresh sage. As well as these ingredients, you will also need some bacon such as pancetta, or if you can't find pancetta, streaky bacon is absolutely fine. Also, you will need some beautiful sausage meat, some good quality sausage meat, or just some pork mince will do the job, guys. Either is fantastic. And finally, you will need butter to make those onions beautiful, buttery, golden brown. Start by whacking a nice big knob of butter into your pan. Remember not to burn the butter, so do this on a medium heat. Peel and chop your onion ready to add to the melted butter. Whack those onions into that beautiful golden melted butter, but don't whack them in like I did all over the place, guys, that's not good. These beautiful golden caramelised sweet onions are just about ready to cool down now. So whack your onions to one side and let them cool down before adding the sage and sausage meat to your stuffing. Next, really finely cut your sage so it evenly distributes throughout the whole stuffing, making it beautiful and full of that sagey flavour, which I absolutely love. Finally, chop some bacon or pancetta to give it that beautiful salty bacony flavour. Finally, add it all together and mix it around until perfectly combined. For this recipe I will be using this chicken here. This is a large chicken, 2.2 kilograms from my local butcher. I will be using this spatula here on top of the breast to loosen the skin. By doing this, this will allow me to stuff the bird more easily and get more stuffing inside the breast. Without this, the skin would be quite hard to push to one side to get the stuffing under the skin. You've seasoned the inside, so make sure you season the outside with plenty of salt and pepper to give it that beautiful crispy crust. You should get one of these thermometers on Amazon. They're about £10. They're an absolute godsend and they make sure everything is perfectly cooked and juicy. For this particular chicken, the recommended USDA safe temperature is 74 degrees Celsius. So I'm going to set my thermometer for 74 degrees Celsius. I'm going to use my Ninja Speedy for this recipe. This is a great device which cooks things very quickly. So I'm going to turn it on and I'm going to set my temperature and my time. In this particular instance, I like to start my chicken slow and heat up later. So I will start with 150 degrees Celsius and I will cook the chicken for 30 minutes just to start with. And then for the rest of the time, I will up the temperature to crisp the skin. 5 minutes has now passed and the temperature is rising very quickly, so I'm going to stop it here and I need to crisp up the skin. So I'm now going to up the temperature to 220 degrees Celsius for around 10 minutes to start with, and if it needs additional minutes I will add them. You can't go wrong with these thermometers, it will beep when the chicken is ready. Here it is, a delicious chicken, well cooked, beautiful and juicy on the inside, crispy skin on the outside. The stuffing is absolutely fantastic. I prefer meatier stuffing, but feel free to add breadcrumbs, cranberries, chestnuts, anything you want. But I wanted this stuffing to pretty much be for most people. That's why I did not include those things. But this is very simple, very effective and tastes as good as anything else. I'd like to thank everyone who's watched the series so far and wish everyone a Merry Christmas. Please, if you like these videos, please subscribe to my channel. It costs nothing. I'm a small channel and this will help me grow significantly. I appreciate all your help. Thank you very much and Merry Christmas.